Well, guys, if you can see from the video I uploaded on this morning, G Mama's coming to you with another challenge. I'm doing the 7 days. I may go a little longer, but right now it's the 7-day eat out of your freezer, icebox, and cabinet challenge. It's created by Tasty Mukbang East. Okay, you may say, G Mama, you're doing a lot of challenge. By Tasty Mukbang East. She has a lot of challenges over there. So if you guys want to go and do her challenge, go and pick you one out. Look in her description and come in one of her videos and let her know you're doing her challenge, and she will add you to the playlist. Okay. But I want you to comment down below what you think about this soul food mukbang. I have chicken, chili beans with stewed tomatoes and ground meat, and I have collard greens with turkey neck in them, and I have cornbread, and you see my decoration in the front. I'm still on my 30-day water, guys. I'm still on my 30-day water. I need to put this in here some kind of way. I'm still on my 30-day water. Also by Tasty Mukbang East. Okay, and again, this the 7-day or more. Eat out of your fridge, your refrigerator, your freezer, and your cabinets. Okay, that means you have to cook. Yeah, you're gonna have to cook. You can't be going on McDonald's and Burger King talking about you cooked it because you put it on a plate. Okay, but anyway, and I'm gonna give a shout out to Tayvon, I hope I'm saying this, or Tayvon Allen. It's Tayvin Allen. He asked me to cook some soul food mukbang. That's what prompted me to go over there and look at her playlist. I mean, her challenges, and that's how I came up with this challenge. But he wanted me to cook some red beans. I asked him what you want me to do, what you want to go along with those red beans. He said chicken, collard greens, and cornbread. So G Mama fixed that meal for him. And his name is Tayvon Allen. And I want to give a shout out to Big Ben. Okay? So those the two. Tayvon is Tayban Allen. Allen. And Big Ben. Bigben. Go check those two challenge out and tell them G Mama sent you. Okay, we're going to pray and we're going to get started. Amen. How y'all guys doing today? Everybody doing okay on this Sunday? Some of you won't see this video until Monday. Okay? Today is Sunday, but you won't see it till Monday. Okay? But he asked me to cook this, so I cooked it. Okay? So it's chili beans with stewed tomatoes and onions. And then I have the greens over here. Collard greens with turkey neck mixed in them. And the wings. Y'all want a piece of chicken? Here's some chicken. Give you some chicken. Okay. Here's some beans. Here's some beans. Say, yeah, G Mama know the fork is turned upside down. Even though I'm feeding y'all like I'm feeding you, I still don't want to eat off the side I'm eating on. See, I do have some manners, y'all. Okay. Here's some greens. Alrighty. There y'all go. So y'all done had everything G Mama done had. Oh, let me give you some cornbread. There you go. Get that cornbread. Alrighty. Okay. Now y'all complete. Y'all are complete. How y'all been doing again on this Sunday? Comment down below and tell G-Mama what y'all eating today. If some of you eating with me, tell me what you... Like I said, y'all will see this video on Monday, so tell me what y'all cooked on Sunday. I want to see who I was cooking. I want to see who all is cooking. And I filmed me cooking this. I just took a picture after I got started while I was cooking, because it was a lot to do. So while I was cooking, I was showing you pictures. Taking a picture. Y'all, G-Mama bought her computer. I got my computer, but I'm still setting it up. So I'm gonna be going live. If I have it up, I'm gonna be going live on it. But if not, I'm gonna be back on my laptop. All the ones who told me to go to Best Buy, I really appreciate you. They did price match. They did give me a good deal. So, I appreciate you. Appreciate you. Now, help a girl out with that iPhone 10. Yep. Ooh, these beans so good. These beans are so good. These beans cooked all night, y'all, in that crock pot. And then I cooked the ground meat and everything else today. Y'all tell me what's different in my video. What's different? What's different? What's different? I can just eat the beans and cornbread. How many of y'all, when you was growing up, you only had beans and cornbread? No ground meat, no chicken, no pork chop, no nothing. Just beans and cornbread. Y'all remember that? Y'all don't want G-Mama to sing that song for you. To bring the old days back to you. Y'all remember that song about them beans and cornbread? If you was born in the 80s, you won't know it. But if you was born in the 70s, you know it. 79 and down, you know it. Y'all, these beans so good. Ooh, I ain't eating nothing but the beans. I gotta get over here and eat these greens. I taste them turkey necks in there. See that turkey neck, y'all? Wait a minute. See that turkey neck? Turkey neck. Yeah. I cooked them with turkey neck. Well, I normally cook everything with turkey neck, but sometimes I use the ham hocks. But since my brother don't eat pork, I knew he was gonna want some of these greens, so I used turkey neck. And the turkey neck give them a good smoked flavor. Greens taste real good. They got that smoked flavor in them from the turkey necks. You guys that went to church today, how was your service? Hmm? Mmm. 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 Oh, gee, mama. Y'all know what? Food like this here fills me up quick. Mm-hmm. This that food to stick to you. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This that food to stick to you. Did y'all miss me Saturday? I didn't go live. Every time I said I was gonna go live, something come up. But and then I had to go look for my computer. Because I was going to go early that day. But I thought the rain was going to slack up. And it never did. So I just went on and went. Just went on and went. Y'all know G-Mom not going to eat all this, right? You know, I just like my presentation. I like my presentation look wonderful. Look wonderful. Because, y'all, when I was cooking, I was so hungry after church because, you know, I don't do breakfast and lunch. So I was so hungry after church, I ate a couple of my wings while I was cooking. But I cooked, I got the whole wings and I got the flats. I got a lot of flats. Because, you know, I thought I was going to eat flats. But when I got ready to fix my plate, you know, I like for everything to be neat and nice looking. So I got the whole wings. But I had already ate a couple of wings. But Dad has some leftovers tomorrow. And I'm going to cook me something else. Mm-hmm. When they was when I put my video out Sunday morning, somebody requested, G-Mom, cook some of them ribs. In order for me to cook some ribs, they have to stop raining. Because my grill is too big. I can't barbecue in the garage. It's too big. So I have to be outside. I don't have a little grill. Ooh, I'm going live. I'm going to change my shirt. I got beans all on my shirt. Mm-mm. when you cook your cornbread in an iron skillet, you know when you be cooking that homemade cornbread in an iron skillet, how you know when it's done? Comment the answer down below. When you cook cornbread, homemade cornbread, not Jiffy, but when you cook homemade cornbread, that's flour, cornmeal, baking soda. When you cook that in the iron skillet, how do you know when it's done? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm in the band. I'm in the marching band. I found out why they do that. When that ice is in there, and that when it be squeezing that straw, so when that water go up in there, it do that. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna eat one more piece of chicken. These wings kind of big. These wings here be good with some I can put these in a plastic bag, and I can eat them in with that sweet and sour sauce. Yeah. With the sweet and sour sauce. With sweet and sour sauce. Whew. Guys, y'all know G-Mom needs y'all help. I need y'all go. I put all my videos in different playlists. They're categorized in a different playlist. I need y'all to go look at my videos. Need you to look at my video, please. All the way through. Not just click on it, but all the way through, please. Can't y'all do that for G Mama, please? And like them. Comment. If you want to, share them. Yep. See, you can't eat this kind of stuff. When he asked me to cook this, I said, I ain't gonna be able to eat this. He didn't go no church. The pastor meeting said, touch that woman, y'all. Touch that woman. This here food here's too heavy. Then go back to church. Now, I knew I wasn't going back because I should have went back. Because tonight is communion. But I knew I had to set my computer up. Because trash man run on Thursday. So I can cut this box up and put it in a plastic bag. Y'all know how we have to do it. I'm gonna have to fix this. I can't take this. They gonna have to tell me what's going on. What's going on? What's going on? Maybe if I, let me see, if I turn the straw another way. If I turn the straw another way. Let me see. If I turn it another way. Let me see. What do they say? Pad or pending? What's pad or pending? What is that hold for? Oh, is that for 2 straws? Oh, no. No, it ain't. I was trying to see. I was finna say, that might be why it's whistling. Supposed to be another straw in here. I'm gonna have to call them because I can't keep going through this here whistling like I'm on a ship. Well, it ain't that. It ain't that, so I'm gonna have to call them. Let me see. No, you have to pull it all the way up. I don't know what that. It's a little thing right there. I don't know what that is. Let me see. It's a little thing here. And you have to push that thing in and it'll stop all that whistling. Lord, I didn't read the direction, y'all. I just pulled it out the box and washed it out real good. Washed it out real good and put some water in it. I didn't read the direction. Y'all know we don't read directions. Y'all know we don't read directions. We just put stuff together. We go by the directions. We don't read nothing. We pull that paper out and look at that picture. And we put stuff together according to that picture. Y'all know we don't read nothing. If it say A, B, C, that's what we go by. Only thing we read, if we say, oh, this the Spanish side, this not the English, that's the only thing we read. Y'all know. Don't be playing brand new. Don't be playing brand new. Y'all, I done ate all these beans. And these mamas got full. Y'all know these beans is actually protein. But I cooked what that baby wanted me to cook. So this is kind of a lot for G Mama, but you know, I have to, my presentation has to be on point. On point. On point. How y'all like my picture of the refrigerator? All my videos gonna be behind that picture. So y'all know I'm doing the refrigerator challenge. So I'm telling y'all before you talk about me. Y'all, I think greens is the only thing that I eat leftovers. I don't think it's nothing else. Because I really don't eat leftovers, but I can eat some greens the next day. I won't even eat no more beans or chicken. But I eat some more greens. Cause I'm trying to see what I can cook tomorrow. Trying to see. Yeah, bone. But yeah, y'all. G Mama wanna thank y'all for all the sweet comments y'all have been sending my way. G Mama wanna thank all of the family members that's coming from Mama Jones. Mama Jones, thank you very much. G Mama loves you. MK Bites, you already know G Mama got you. So y'all show Mama Jones some love. Show MK Bites some love. Who else sending me some love? Who else? It was somebody else. Tasty Mukbang. Y'all go over there, show them some love. Tell them G Mama send you. Now, but I appreciate all the love and Prissy P. I appreciate all the love and kind that you all have shown G Mama this past 3 weeks. And G Mama appreciate it very much. I love everybody. And all my new members, all my new family. And not no members. All my new family, welcome to G Mama's World. I hope you all enjoying the contents that I'm putting out. If you want to see G Mama do something or do a challenge, just comment down below. If it ain't out of the ordinary now, you don't have me eating nothing strange or jumping off a building, G Mama do it. And things, you know, because I'm up there now. I can't be flying in the air and things because that ground will catch you. And I don't need the ground to catch me. But I want y'all to comment down below what you thought about this soul food mukbang. I had chicken, chili beans with stewed tomatoes and collard greens and cornbread. Comment down below what you thought about it. Share this video with each and every one you come in contact with. Hit that notification bell till it grow wings. Hit the red letters till they turn gray. Okay? And like this video. Alrighty. If ain't nobody told you today they love you, always remember, G Mama loves you. T9 loves you. She gonna be on here one day, y'all. I'm waiting on school to be out. And Jesus loves you. And again, I'm shouting out to this young man that recommended this meal. His name is, I hope I'm saying his baby name right, but it's Tayvan, T-Van, but it's T-A-Y-B-I-A-N, Allen, A-L-L-E-N. Okay, and I'm shouting out to Big Ben. Go and check those 2 channels out and the other 3 that I named. And y'all be safe and be sweet until G Mama see you in another video. Peace.